Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Snapchat add and accept friends something went wrong problem on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your add and accept friends is not working in your Snapchat and you are seeing the error something went wrong, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, first what you have to do, you have to just open the Play Store, then check whether your Snapchat is up to date or not. Just click on the search, then type here Snapchat. If it is not up to date, then update it from here. After completion of this update, you have to open your Snapchat, then tap on open, then tap on profile icon in top left side corner. After that, here you will find setting icon, tap on that, scroll down. In this you can see bug and suggestions. You have to just tap on this. After that, in top you will find a report a bug. You have to just tap on that, then tap on friends option. Here you need to type, dear Snapchat team, my Snapchat account and friends not working and the error something went wrong is coming, so please fix this issue as soon as possible. Then attach a screenshot from this add screenshot. You can select your related topic, then tap on submit. In bottom you will find submit option. After submitting, you need to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that, your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Snapchat add and accept friends option is not coming and something went wrong, error will appear. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.